how to switch between open windows in Windows 11. Whether you're managing tickets, running scripts, or jumping into remote sessions, switching between applications quickly can save a lot of time. Windows 11 has several built-in shortcuts designed exactly for this purpose, and mastering them can seriously streamline your workflow. In this video, we'll outline how to switch between open windows in Windows 11. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe to NinjaOne's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this. 3 easy ways to switch between open windows in Win 11. Using classic shortcuts. Alt plus Tab is probably the most familiar. Hold Alt and tap Tab and you'll see live previews of every open window. Keep tapping Tab until you land on the app you want, then release. If you want something similar but a little more flexible, try Control plus Alt plus Tab. Instead of holding keys down, this shortcut gives you a persistent view of all open apps, using Task View and virtual desktops. Next is Win plus Tab, which brings up Task View. This shows all running applications and your virtual desktops. From here, you can create new desktops, switch between them, or even drag apps between desktops. For power users, the shortcut to remember is Win plus Control plus left or right arrow. This instantly switches between desktops without going into Task View. Using taskbar shortcuts. The taskbar itself is also a strong navigation tool. Hovering over an app icon shows previews, and right-clicking gives you options like closing all windows or move to next desktop. If you've pinned apps to the taskbar, you can also use Win plus a number key to launch or cycle through them. Win plus 1 opens the first pinned app, Win plus 2 the second, and so on. Additional navigation tricks. Here are a few more shortcuts worth keeping in your back pocket. Win plus D shows or hides the desktop instantly. Alt plus Escape cycles through open windows in the order they were launched, no thumbnails. Win plus Shift plus Arrow moves windows across monitors, essential in multi-display setups. Win plus Z opens snap layouts, letting you organize apps side by side without dragging them manually. Touch and snap features. If you're using a touch-capable device, enabling 3 and 4 finger gestures in settings adds even more options. You can swipe to move between apps or desktops just as easily as with a keyboard. And finally, Window Snap is the unsung hero for multitasking. Dragging apps to screen edges, or using keyboard shortcuts, lets you split your screen into clean layouts. Windows offers more than one way to switch between apps and desktops. Learn the ones that fit your workflow, and you'll spend less time hunting for the right window and more time actually getting work done. For more information, check out our official blog post on how to switch between open windows in Windows 11, linked in the description below.